Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Cash App card to TikTok. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the upper right corner to access your account settings. On the profile page, find the share arrow icon and tap it. This will bring up an option labeled Copy Cash Tag Link. Select this to copy your unique Cash App link to your clipboard. Now, open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap Edit Profile. This will take you to a page where you can modify your profile settings, including your bio. In the Edit Profile section, tap the bio field. If there is existing text or a link, clear it out first by deleting it. Then, press and hold to paste the Cash App link you copied earlier. Double-check to ensure the link is correct. If everything looks good, tap Save in the top right corner to finalize the changes. Now, your Cash App link is successfully added to your TikTok bio, effectively connecting your Cash App card to TikTok. This allows others to access your Cash App link directly from your profile. So that's basically how you can connect your Cash App card to TikTok. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.